Hello friends. Now according to this expression, the common mistake many of people incorrectly assume that multiplication must always come before division because M precedes the D in the acronyms. Now the trap. First we multiply the digits 5 multiplied by 2 equals to 10 and next we divide the values minus 10 divided by 10 is equal to minus 1 and this is wrong. Why this is wrong? Multiplication and division have the equal priority. You cannot simply choose to multiply first, it appears later in the expression. Now the truth, correct solution says when the operations have equal priority like multiplication and division, so you must solve from left to right. Now first we divide the values and after we'll get minus 2. The second of the step says minus 2 multiplied by 2 equals to minus 4 and minus 4 is the correct answer according to the order of operation. So I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.